All right, hey everybody, we are back. Same ticker, Nio, same situation. After we got off last time, I was on this pullback right here on our way up. We had just accidentally added some shares when we tried putting in a stop loss, because that's what we do these days. So unfortunately, it moved our cost average down. It was actually right at VWAP. We sold a couple of pennies prior. It ultimately didn't cost us that much because we did get out at break even. Had I had not purchased those shares, my average would have actually been up here at 40. I would have kept that stop loss with the break of the VWAP for a potential sell-off. We did not do that. So either way, we got sold at break even. So not a huge deal. We then proceeded to go up above the averages. You can see we set a hard ceiling right here, and it's just been all red ever since. So I didn't want to get in before this area that we talked a lot about earlier, this convergence of all the moving averages, the VWAP, the daily levels. I waited for it to close below. It came back up. It tested, couldn't get there, came back down. I went short. This is a really small position. I have I had 97 shares total. Super short position, or super small. We had set our stop loss at the break of the daily level, and then that's one of the reasons we kind of had a little bit wider of a stop loss. Not the best R to R, but what I'm really hoping for here, I knew that this level at the 40.80 was going to most likely get hit. That's our S3 level up here on the 2 minute. We've been setting a lot of resistance here, or support, I guess. I knew we were going to hit that level. I took some of my shares off. I was hoping we could at least break down to this level as well, the 63. It's not looking super optimistic at this time. I actually need to update my stop loss position since I took shares off and we're starting to climb back up. There we go. So we have 70 shares remaining. We'll go ahead. I'm going to go put this level back in. We're going to go ahead and take off 15 shares at this level. Hit it again. There we go. Assuming we can hit it. We're getting close. Hopefully we'll get it here in the next minute or so. And then I'm going to hold. I'm going to hold, and I want to get down. Oh, I just moved it. I want to get down to this 40 level as well. So if we fill at 60, I'll throw another order in down here at like probably, I won't do it at 40 exactly. I'll probably do it at like 45, 44, like right here. There we go. Just got filled. So now we're going to go down to this next level, which is at 45. Try and get 15 more filled. At that point, we'll have 40 shares remaining. I think I'm going to take a little bit of time and kind of reassess our daily level, our daily charts. I don't know. We might just do a rundown. At this point, I mean, you can see our 15-minute candle. We are... hold on a second. Let me get rid of the stop loss. Yeah, so as you can see, this 15-minute is just red. 5-minute red. This is our 3-bar, so I am going to be looking for a potential buyback after this 5-minute candle ends, which will be in about a minute. We might already be there. We might have hit our floor. This is a really strong daily level. We had a candle, we had a day open, we had a low, we just hit it again. So we'll see if what happens here. I'm not optimistic we're going to get a big run like we got with BA last week. That was awesome. But we'll try and get 15 more shares filled at this 40.40. Right now we are over 2R total between our first trade this morning, which was right here, and now this trade, which is right here. Honestly, I'm really, really happy about this trade. We had a really good risk to reward. Not as great the second time around, that's for sure. We got a little bit worse of a fill, but not terrible. Definitely not terrible. We were below all the moving averages. We were below the moving averages. Again, below the moving averages. Below the moving averages. So all of my charts, this was a great looking setup. It's just a matter of whether or not we can break this 40 range. I guess really it's this 60 range that we keep hitting. Can we get to the 40? That's the question. We'll find out. I'll get 15 shares filled if we do. All right, thank you, everybody. Have a great weekend. This will probably be my last update. I didn't think I was going to take any more trades, but after Nio kind of got bought up and hit a heavy ceiling right here and sold off hard. I knew I had to get back in. According to my playbook, of course. I waited for my setup, and then I went. You can also see that I haven't been talking about this lately, but I have been actually trading. I'm just going to touch on this real quick before I let you guys go. On the volume price analysis. That's something I've been using a lot lately as far as trying to figure out areas of resistance and support, potential breakout moments. As you can tell with our volume, it's been very steady all morning with this. Our big wicks are all red, which is nice. If you're playing it short like I am. So yeah, I've been using this a lot lately. I don't know if it's really going to tell us too much on this stock. To be completely honest with you, I don't really see much information. But yeah, still learning, still working, still trying to incorporate it. It's helped, I would say. It is dynamic, so you can see it just keeps changing based on our chart. As our chart starts to kind of move down and expand, it kind of spreads it out a little bit. And as volume comes in, obviously that's going to change it too. All right, everybody, have a good weekend. Enjoy March Madness. Take care.